If you want to print a file from Google Drive, this quick guide will show you the easiest way to do it in just a few steps. Whether you're printing a document, a PDF, or another file type, Google Drive makes the process simple once you know where to click. And if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. First, open Google Drive in your web browser and sign in to the Google account that contains the file you want to print. Once you're in, find the file in your drive. You can use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of files, or just browse through your folders until you see the one you need. Next, double-click the file you want to print. This will open it in preview mode or in the editor, depending on the type of file it is. For example, Google Docs files may open in the document editor, while PDFs and other files often open in a preview window. This is the stage where you can check that the file looks correct before sending it to print. Now, to open the print settings, press Ctrl and P on your keyboard if you're using a Windows computer. If you're on a Mac, you can use Command and P instead. You can also click the printer icon in the top right corner if you see it. Both methods take you to the same printing options, so you can choose whichever is easiest for you. Once the print window appears, select your printer from the list. If you have more than one printer available, make sure you choose the correct one before continuing. This is especially important if you're printing at home, at work, or at school, and multiple devices are connected. After that, adjust your print settings. You can choose how many copies you want, which pages to print, whether to print in color or black and white, and which layout you prefer. Take a moment to review these options carefully so you don't waste paper or ink. If your file has multiple pages, you can also print specific pages instead of the entire document. Before you finish, make sure the preview looks right. Check the margins, page size, and orientation if those options are available. If something looks off, go back and adjust the settings until everything appears the way you want it. A quick review here can save you from having to reprint the file later. When you're ready, click Print. Your file will be sent from Google Drive directly to your selected printer. Once the printer starts working, just wait for it to finish and collect your document. And that's how to print a file from Google Drive in a few simple steps. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.